Hi guys. Okay,
Hi guys.
She's still pregnant.
I think my last week with Stevie in your belly.
I think that was like one of the worst things people could say to me. You're still pregnant, which is why I didn't announce until like later.
Dude, I feel that way too.
You look cute.
Yeah, thank you, thank you. I have on a lovely dress today.
You do.
This dress and shoes are compliments of Lee's Fifth Avenue. So they decided to dress us today. I like these little shoes though.
Okay, so today is going to be a little bit different. We're going to do like a little fashion show. So we are going to be, we're actually going to concentrate mainly today on the YouTube. So let's kind of go through exactly what we're going to do. So we'll give YouTube a feature. All right, so then Tracy's modeling. Yeah, girl, model it out. I like your hair. All right, and then, well, don't get your boom juice on my floor. Do your boom juice thing at your own house, okay? So then how do I know when you're ready for me to take over?
I think I'll just be like, come on, Joe, hurry up.
No, I don't think, come on, Joe, hurry up. When I'm ready, I'll make a little sound. But that doesn't mean, like, remember last time when I was like, yup?
Yeah.
But it doesn't mean you must hurry. It just means that if you want to go, you can.
Okay.
Alright?
Alright.
And we work the floor. We've got to work our YouTube camera today, okay?
Okay.
And then, so we have everything sorted?
Yeah, I'm cool.
I kind of like these wedges.
Yeah, they're really nice. I like that dress, like the Chiquita dress.
I do too. So I just came back from the country. I'm not pregnant. I just had a lot of carbs. Actually, I look good. Here, scratch that.
I think you look good too.
Go down there. Why don't go down there? Oh, Spice. You see that?
I like this. I like the dance that goes. Ya da da da. Ya da da. What's it called?
I don't know.
It's called the June bug. The June bug. It's cute.
It's very cute. Oh! Alright, 128. I'll just drink. Today I'm gonna leave my Lady B over here. So today I'm drinking a Spicy Mango Mojito, and this one, it's spice. It's very nice. Spice for my girl Spice, you know, I love her.
Yeah. She's a goodie.
Ooh, Spice is definitely a goodie.
I heard she's having a $2,000 all you can eat on the 27th.
Really?
Yeah. Sweet and sour chicken, sliced fish, curry goat, and fried chicken.
What?
Yeah.
Where? At that bar she was promoting.
Yeah.
Maybe I should go. Will I have my injection, my inoculation by then?
I don't know.
Maybe.
I would love to go, but I can't go.
You can't go anywhere. Okay guys, it's now 1:29. So how are we gonna do the intro for how are we doing the intro?
I don't know, do I have to stand so much?
So how do you want to model?
So that means sit down?
At the end of the modeling.
Okay, alright, fine.
Do you want me to put a chair there so you can just sit down and talk about your outfit then?
No, this is fine.
You want to get her out, so you need to like just... Don't squat. Jeez.
I don't understand.
Alright, we're going live now on the Instagram. Checking connection. Okay, well you start. Wait, hold on, I'll tell you when to start.
There's Jodi.
Jodi, there's Joe.
Hi, Joe.
Hold on, we'll pause. Bad connection as per usual. I'm coming off of the Wi-Fi. Alright, we're too deep in the closet, you know. Nope, there we are.
Aye.
We're too deep in the closet.
Hi guys, welcome to Tuesdays with Tricky, where we take your mind off of everything that's going outside of the closet and bring you in here for a show of pure madness,
fun, frolic, and
foolishness. So today I'm wearing a dress courtesy of Lee's Fifth Avenue and some slippers courtesy of Lee's Fifth Avenue as well. I styled it with this little bohemian chain here, and I also did my hair like a super bohemian style. I like this dress because it's easy breezy, and I'm pregnant, if you didn't know. But I find that like with pregnancy and this heat, it's really nice to get outfits that don't necessarily suck on, because right here gets sweaty.
Your pum pum cup?
Is that normal?
Yeah.
Oh. Anyway, so guys, we're gonna show you 4 outfits today from Lee's, and Lee's has decided so graciously to gift us one of the outfits. So could you rate them for us? So this is my first outfit. Joe?
Woo, 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 woo. Wrong way, come on, go right up, honey. Wow. Oh, you got some model.
Yes, girl.
Hola. I decided to accessorize with a handbag. These are the small handbags that can't fit anything. It's foolishness. So I'm wearing like a smock dress here. It's very tight and fitting. Not very conducive to the long weekends eating, but that's okay. You know, and then so you have like smocked hair and then a little cute frill. And then check out the shoes, a nice wedge. And guys, this white is going so nice with my new tan. I have gotten a little tan hair. So all of this is available, well not the bag, the dress and the shoes from Lee's 5th Avenue. We are modeling and we are going on. Yeah, look at how this hugs my curves. No so. Spice. How the song go? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. 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 Oh, the YouTuber camera can't see me if I go down too low. My little silly bag. Why is she kissing her teeth? These models are such divas. And today, everybody.
Sorry.
Today I'm drinking my Lady Bee Mixology. Woo. This is a Spicy Mango Mojito. Woo. The spice in there has got a real kick. You guys like this dress? So make sure you keep it in mind. I give it a rating because then we're going to decide at the end which one I'm going to keep. But I like it. I like this one. I like this one. See, you get lots of movement. See the movement? You have to have movement, you know. So yeah, nice time.
I think that's enough for you now.
Okay, that's enough for me.
Hi guys. So actually Lee's 5th Avenue has a whole entire Italian line there. So I forgot to bring a strapless bra. Actually I probably wouldn't even wear a bra because my breasts are very perky. Even through the pregnancy they've stayed alive, standing strong. They've grown to a full A cup. But anyway, so I borrowed one of Jodi's swimsuit tops just to wear as a little bra underneath, and I styled it with one of her chains. Put my hair up like a bohemian princess. But yeah, so they have this Italian line down at Lee's, and I find the fabrics are so nice. So I think this is like a silk, and it's lined with a jersey kind of material underneath. But even if I'm not pregnant, I think this dress will look so fabulous.
Maxi dress season.
It's maxi dress season, guys. Maxi. And go down there. Why not go down there? See, I can do a thing too.
Okay, no womb juice on my floor.
Alright, Jodi's ready. She always wants a spotlight. Anyway, I think I look cute. Joe.
Did somebody say breakfast party? Because I'm all about it. With my cutesy little handbag that I can keep things in. Here's my outfit. So today I am wearing, let me put this on my bosoms. So this is like a crochet top, and it's really cool because the crochet kind of goes a little bit together more by the breasts in case you don't want to wear a bra. But you know, my husband says I mustn't give any wink winks. So I have on this cute little crochet top, and then I paired it with these, what color would you call this, Trey?
Like lime green?
Like a lime green. Oh, hold on, the best part is around the back. Why? Okay, this is breakfast party behavior. Hold on. This is breakfast party behavior. Hold on. Woo! Woo! We need some music, you know. We need some music. No, this is definite. All right, what's a song that I know that I can sing? Go down there. Okay, I got you. Go down there. Well, oh, hey, Shaggy, what's up? Sean Paul. No, he's beside Sean Paul. And Spice beside me too. Hey, Spice. Oh, sing a song, girl. Yes, sing it. Okay. In a breakfast party that way. Okay. Today we are drinking. I'm drinking a Spicy Mango Mojito from Lady Bee Mixology. What do you mean Daddy is watching? Daddy-O or my real daddy?
Daddy as in Sean Paul Daddy? That's
Daddy-O. Oh. Ooh, I'm out of breath with going down there. Let's have another sip. This one is, okay. I think this is my second favorite.
Out of everything?
Yep, I think this is my second favorite. Lady Bee Mixology.
I'm ready for my debut.
Alright, this is it. I have to leave the breakfast party now because Mama Womb Juice is ready. Here I am, Mama Womb Juice.
Continuing to show off the Italian line from Lee's Fifth Avenue. So I don't know what type of material this is, but it's really nice because it's kind of lighty. I think it might be cotton. This is a dress. I thought it was a pantsuit at first too, but these are one size fit all dresses that they have down at Lee's. And so as I said, I have the bikini top underneath, so you can wear it with a bikini top. But with these dresses, I love them because you can actually tie them up multiple ways. So, look, I'm going to do it a different way for you right now. Sorry, I tied this so good with this little knot. But yeah, so they're one size fit all, and you can really try and style them yourself. So I had it just like that a while ago. So let me do this different style tie for you. With a halter neck like this. I like when my dresses kind of come down a little bit so you can see a little bit more of my breast. I think it's very sexy. Like this. And then the two straps that you have in the back here, you can just bring them around and do a little thing like this if you want. So it's cute. I feel like you could do so much more tie styles with this if you wanted to, but it's very easy breezy, very nice for the country weekend that is coming up. You're going down to the bar or whatever. Oh, those earrings. Thank you. All right, here's Joe.
I wore the wrong bag last time, so I'm just gonna pick my bag up again that I left at the breakfast party. Let me put it on my hand, you know, like this. I'm back. Ooh, ooh. Okay, this actually, no, wait. This is super uptown wife going to the supermarket, except the bra shirt. This I love. This is a wrap dress, so we are wrapping. But I love this. This is cotton. It has a frill. It's very comfortable. Now, if you want to dress up, I should have taken off the bra, but people keep saying Daddy-O is watching. So I just do a little pin here or no bra. See, if I'm not going on the road in the day, this is cotton, so it's nice and easy breezy. Now, you see, let me tell you how I finish off my outfits. Once I tie it and I cut this string, because look at this. Look at that. Who needs all this string on the hair? Like, what kind of game is this? What is this? You know, like, we don't need all that string. So if I'm like heading out on a Saturday with the kids, this is actually, I think, okay guys, honestly, I think this one is my favorite. I wouldn't have worn such, you know, those thick bras? But this, I really love this one. I really, really love this one. I hope you guys vote for this one as well. Look at that with my tan. Ooh, ooh. So I have my handbag. I don't know why I keep putting my bag here. I've never worn my bag here. But you know, you're just feeling fancy, like you're feeling like, oh, okay. Okay. Yes?
Womb juice girl is ready.
Womb juice is ready, so I gotta go again. Now before I have a sip, then I go and take a dip. Everybody, beep, beep, beep. The hat is back, guys. The hat is back. Woo! It's like I'm coming straight off the plane from LA. Hey, hey, hey. The
the one hat what we have. Yes, Papa. Ay, ay, ay. And I paired it with this green dress. I think it's cheesecloth, this kind of material. I have no idea. But it is so super cute. Oh, hold on, I forgot to tuck that in the hanger things. So anyway, I guess if you weren't pregnant, you could pair it with like a belt and do like a belt and scrunch it up here. But I really like it just like this with my hat, with my leopard skin, and let my hair out. I'm looking cute, man. I'm looking so cute. Oh, Lee's Fifth Avenue has lots of maxi dresses for the summer. And they did give me a pair of shoes, but because we're on the beach today, I guess we don't have any, unless I'm not wearing the shoes.
You can't just let me be on the beach by myself. You have to follow me this weekend.
I just don't understand why you even wanted to go without me.
Well, I was afraid you'd boom juice on the weekend. I'm ready.
So okay, this was my fourth option, guys. So I hope that you vote for whichever one you think I should keep. Alright.
Did somebody say maxi dress season? I'm sorry. Pardon? Pardon? Somebody said maxi dress season? Because I just slayed it. Oh yeah. Yeah. Girls, don't fall out now. Don't do me bad. Don't do me bad. Stay in there. Okay, so check out the detail on this strap. You see that little keyhole right there? Okay, let me tell you.
Really nice in that.
Oh, thank you. Oh, yeah. Let me tag my doctor. Okay, so let me tell you why guys love maxi dress season. It's a special time of the year because the girls free up, they put on these maxi dresses, and they were just in winter, so they've been packing on a few pounds, the behind. So when the girls are walking and they're sashaying, the guys are just like, what? And they're just seeing like all of this, like, see that maxi dress season? You see that? Yeah. The guys love it, but the girls love it because it's so freeing and beautiful. You don't have to wear a bra. You know, actually, you know what? If this was mine, so you could vote for it to be mine, all of it, I find that little touches to your clothes can make them a little bit more tailored and designer-nated. So all I would do, just to get a better fit up here, I would take the X and run a stitch right here. See that?
Yeah, just to tailor it to your body a little bit more.
So it's these little things that you can do that would help to make the dress fitted more to you, and then you could kind of be like, yes girl, Tucci or whatever. You know, I love my reasonable clothes. This is so nice though, I'm loving it. Check the movement in the skirt. So this looks like it was cut on the bias almost. Yeah, your girl can sew, so I know what cutting on the bias is. Check out the movement, check out the movement.
Oh yeah, those shoes that they gave you have really gone with everything though.
So these shoes here is like a, they're like
an espadrille.
Yeah. Are we ready to come together now?
Yeah.
Oh, lordy. Woo! Hold my drink, girl. Oh, we're going back? We're going back.
Yeah.
Let's see how the...
We need to be in the footage.
Oh, there we go.
Hi, everyone.
Hi, guys.
Welcome.
Wow. Woo!
Okay, so let's vote for which outfit Jodi should keep.
So was it one, the, what did I have on at first? The white smock dress.
Yeah.
That's like, looks really...
Chiquita banana dress.
Yes, I liked it. Then number 2 was the little green shorts with the white crochet top. Then number 3 was the wrap dress, one of my favorites. And then number 4 is this one.
So which one should Jodi keep? 1, 2, 3, or 4?
Lady Bee Mixology says this one.
So Lady B says number 4.
The last one, the white, Fit says the white one. Jodi should definitely keep this one she's wearing now. I love it.
Okay.
My fan page says number 3. Thank you. Renz says the wrap dress. I love the wrap dress too.
Number 4 is still in the lead.
Yeah, number 4 is in the lead. Oh, we got a couple 3s coming up. Renz is saying number 3. I kind of floral wrap dress. Oh, Auntie Stephanie said floral wrap dress. Number 4. Everybody likes this one.
Alright, guys. 2 seconds more. Number 4 is in the lead.
Jodi, keep them all. Number 4 is in the lead.
Alright.
And to Stephanie, it doesn't matter how many times you write the same number. That's cheating. You can't do that on voting day. Okay guys, so this one is a winner. Thank you so much to Lee's Fifth Avenue. I shall be keeping this beautiful floral maxi dress, and all I'm gonna do just to make it a little bit more tailored to me so it kind of doesn't look as
gaping in the front.
I'm just gonna tack right here.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Yeah, that then the girls show off more.
Yeah, like they look a little bit more like you don't, yeah. So this is all I would do.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so thank you so much. So this will be my dress I keep from Lee's Fifth Avenue. Thank you so much for your vote.
Okay, so what about me? So the first thing that I wore was the short orange dress. The second thing that I wore was the gray long dress that had the silk on the top. Let me just remind you guys. This gray lot was the second dress I wore.
That's not gray, that's blue.
Oh, blue. Then
this one, third.
Then the third one I wore was a khaki multiple tie-away. And this is my LA Safari.
No.
Yeah, green.
Khaki multiple tie-away. If you can tie it differently as you were showing, imagine when you're not pregnant how many styles you could do that in. Yes. And then you still look so great in it while you were pregnant.
Yeah.
I love that one. Number 3. Somebody says an orange. Number 4. Yes, Kelly, thank you. 3.
I like number 3 too. Personally.
Someone says 4. Going over to my fake page to vote for the yellow one. No fits. 4. I say number 3. Okay, so I'm the loudest one. So number 3 it is.
Oh, the blue one looks good on me, says Lady Bee Mixology. Okay.
Woo. Guys, this fashion show made me all heated, man.
Alright guys, so I think number 3 won though.
Yeah. So you're 3, I'm 4. Woo! Thank you so much to Lee's Fifth Avenue for, loaning us these clothes and giving us these clothes for our little fashion show. Just wanted to show you guys some of the great styles they have down there for summer.
They just got in new stock last week, Thursday, so they cleared them and they're out. Most of the styles I wore are one size fits all, and they are an Italian line, which they're sewn really, really nicely.
Italians are known for their fabrics.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So no, they're known for their pasta.
I find the one size fits all stuff is cool because you can really make it your own with like different accessories, and if you did a belt.
Yeah, that's true. So you could get one piece and wear it like a couple different ways, and that's how you show someone who's really stylish. Because you can take one dress and you wear it simple and plain as a knockabout. Then you style it up and you can wear it with a belt and some accessories to a party. Then you go into a friend's house, heels and a slight little, a chain. So, and I find that, I'm sorry, I think that Jamaican girls are some of the most well put together girls in the world.
I know, I always think I'm biased about it though.
No, Tracy, honestly.
Like I always think Jamaican girls are the prettiest girls, or okay, let me not say the prettiest girls. They are the most well put together girls. Like their nails are done, their hair is done,
they look good, their makeup is done, them set out, their hair is good.
They're lotioned.
They're lotioned. And then their outfits, like they put a lot of thought into their outfits. So it's not just that Jamaican girls, oh, they're such a pretty bunch. They're well put together, like they're the entire package.
Yeah.
And like when you go and you look at some of these parties, like I remember one of them was Hennessy, whatever. But you look at these pictures and you're like, damn girl.
Oh my gosh, yes, that Hennessy party.
Yeah.
Jeez, if you never come dressed to impress.
Gowns and all of this, and the girls look absolutely gorgeous. So big up to all the Jamaican girls, because even when you look at you look on Instagram and you get caught within the Jamaican feed, my gosh, man.
No, we look good.
Yeah, not dissing any other girls, but we're just highlighting our Jamaican girls right now.
Yeah, I think we're biased, but I think we have good reason to be biased.
We have good reason to be biased. I see a lot of Trini flags coming up, and I know that we have a lot of followers from Trinidad. Now let me tell you something. If I was any other person than a Jamaican, I'd be a Trini.
No, but
I'd be a Trini, but I'd have to be a dancing Trini. If I was just a Trini with an accent, I don't want it. I want to be one of those Trini girls that they don't sweat in their face. They go to the party, they whining,
they
carry on, they don't sweat.
The makeup they use, and then
I don't know, they don't sweat in their face. they dancing, they doing all kind of things, and they face matte like a piece of plywood.
Yeah.
They doing carnival end, and they still look like they just walk out of the chair from the makeup artist.
Yeah, you know what, I have to say, like, Trini girls on a whole look so good in their costumes.
Oh, and is that a Guyanese flag? Okay, let me not even okay. Caribbean girls, run it.
No, that goes without saying. Caribbean girls run it.
And I think if we look at the different Caribbean countries and what the girls are, what I think the girls are known for, it's just, I think we're such an incredible bunch. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like, I think that definitely every Caribbean country has something that the girls are known for. So whether it's, you know, the bubbling master or the bubbling machine. So you have girls that can dance, girls that can wine, girls that are beautiful,
but all
girls that are
of the Caribbean
pretty.
girls can do one thing, and that is cook.
Majority.
Yeah, I mean, okay, there's always a 1-2 that kind of throw down too hot, but like,
yeah, but then they look good, so it's alright.
Yeah.
Like me, you know.
So
but
anyway,
yeah, I think
Justin Bieber cut his hair.
thank goodness. Justin Bieber, he watches the show. Hi, Justin.
Hi,
Love
Just.
you. Hey.
Oh my gosh, Justin, thank you for cutting your hair. It was really disturbing.
So we did appreciate that you tried a different style. We know you love us. We know you love Jamaica. We'd love to have you again. Justin came and stayed with us the other day. But honestly, like, the hair just...
Remy didn't like it at all.
No, it kind of frightened her. So we're glad you cut your hair. Listen, just stay with the cute, white, rich boy vibe. That's your thing. Go for it.
Yeah.
You know?
And I think Haley had a problem with it too, but she was trying to stay strong.
You know, Haley, just do your thing. I mean, me and Haley don't really get along for different reasons, but it's okay. It's okay.
You guys did well this weekend.
Yeah, but you know, she's just kind of
skinny.
She's skinny and she always behaves like she's better than everybody else.
I just think you don't like her because she always wants to eat vegan food, so.
You'll be like, hey, here's the pork. Oh my god, I don't eat that. Do you know that the pigs cry out when they're being slaughtered? I was like, well, yeah, bitch, if you are being slaughtered, are you gonna just lie there?
You cry out too.
You cry too.
Yo. Jodi Jigs fan page. Was he really there? I'm gonna leave that for you guys to answer. So anyway, who yesterday was able to log in to my YouTube and watch my sweet and sour sauce that I made?
I did. I caught the last bit.
Yeah.
So I thought it was a whole dish that you were doing, but it was just a sweet and sour sauce.
Well, I did the fish, but I mean, I think that's a basic like
sauce. So I can do it with chicken.
You can do it with chicken. You can do it with your pork. You can do it with your tofu.
Oh,
yeah. So, you know, you can put it over your noodles to make a sweet and sour noodle dish for the kids.
Okay, yeah.
But the sauce is really, really, really good.
And I noticed this time, like when Tracy sent me her description, it had like numbers, like 1 teaspoon this, 1 teaspoon that. And I'm like, hey girl, well, what are you getting on?
Yeah, because you know, for the sauce, it gets kind of like technical, you know. Everything else I just kind of like to like throw this in, throw that in, and you do it to your own taste, but the sauce is a little bit technical.
Okay. So
the only thing I really didn't, it was like, you know, how much onion or sweet pepper to put in there. But as I said, I really like vegetables, so putting that in there, yeah. And
did Timmy and Scott enjoy?
They loved it.
I would do that and do like a egg noodle and then a chicken and then do more sauce on top.
Yeah.
So, but that's kind of like what I think your dishes encourage us to do. Like, you know, get the idea and then run with it. Use what you have, kind of thing.
Somebody was asking if you are
Amsterdam.
If you don't want to do another surgery.
Yes. What are you talking about? Listen to me. You see, I'm right here sitting down, and I appreciate that my breasts look nice, but they don't look wicked. I would definitely go higher and rounder for sure. I'm not even playing. I would definitely do like a ponytail lift like this. I would definitely, slight BBL, but I want to do lipo on my stomach. I want to do lipo on my legs. I want to do lipo on my chin, like, cause it's gonna happen. You know, just do the lipo here Oh, I would get veneers if I didn't grind my teeth.
No way, Jodi. I am not allowing you to get veneers. Like,
why?
No. You know, I have been with you through all of your surgeries, and I don't really say anything. I don't think you need another surgery. I think you are beautiful and perfect exactly as you are. Do not touch a thing. And if you get veneers, I'm going to box them out of your mouth.
They're really expensive.
Dude, you have nice teeth. Stop looking at so much Instagram, you crazy nut.
Dr. Samuels did say that I have nice teeth, and I have been using one of those lights with a gel whitener. So my teeth aren't as white as I would like them, but I think that yeah, if you guys have a great whitening product that you could recommend, I would definitely use that.
Just use Crest White toothpaste.
I want more than toothpaste. I want to do something particular. You know?
You're so crazy. This is what happens when you scroll through Instagram way too much.
But see, even now, like, this one looks longer now because this line is, you know, like, I just want to, like, okay, I want it like this. Like that. No, that looks great. Look at that. You see? Look at that. Like, up in my clats. That's what I want. But I think what happened before was that I had, I was too long. So he could only go at this height, but then if I do another one, he can go higher. How is the belly now, Joe? You did the surgery on the abdomen. Did it heal fully? So yes, it's still, the skin is very numb because of how the surgery, he had to like do under the skin and it's still very numb. But I honestly wish that I had added in liposuction. Because Dr. Dawes does do liposuction as well as the diastasis recti repair, and I honestly wish I just said to him, yeah, throw it in, do your thing, suck, you know, because I mean, when you see a sexy guy, didn't you want to tell him suck anyway?
Listerine whitening mouthwash is good. So anyway, you were at the country this weekend, right? Mm-hmm. So you stayed at a beautiful country house.
Yes. So we're going to do a full YouTube video on that.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, we'll do that in August, and we'll take everybody for a look around, and we will tell them why it's so special to us, and we'll get the history of it.
Okay, so I want to ask you something, though.
Yeah.
Do you prefer to be at the pool or on the beach? What do you guys prefer?
I would say at the beach, simply because it's more of like a thought out activity. Like, I have to pack all my things, I have to make sure I have everything, and then it's always more breezy. So whereas if I'm by the pool, it could be a little bit hotter, and you know, I'm just like hot and sweating. By the beach, there's always a nice cool breeze.
What do you guys say? We're getting a lot of beaches here.
Somebody said pool. Who that? Dave Burke said pool. You can do laser light. Gonna do the lipo. Invasive or not?
Who is that? Chocolate Chip says pool. We're getting
beach.
Baby Rich.
Jemmy.
Baby Racal says beach.
Stevie's gonna be born with a knapsack going to college.
I know. Trust me. Yesterday Scott took out his guitar and was singing a song. Stevie, it's time for you to get out.
That's how I felt too. Have you been doing your lunges?
Yeah, I do them in the morning. So I wake up in the morning, I brush my teeth, I eat my breakfast.
Have you had sex?
Yeah.
She still didn't come?
No.
Jeez.
No, but I think that's why my mucus plug did drop out the other day. Because I was having some sex.
You sex out the mucus plug?
Yeah.
Ugh. Dear Lord, I didn't lose my mucus plug.
You didn't?
No. They had to break my water for me. They had to induce me. I was like, hey doc, my visa don't work like this. She gotta come out. He gotta come out.
But I'm going to the doctor tomorrow, so I'm just gonna ask them if they can do a membrane sweep. Usually that within 48 hours, the membrane sweep.
So what's that? Just ask Scott to just move him big body up in there now.
We've been trying some stuff, you know. We've been doing some innovative stuff.
Somebody said, are you 40 weeks? She'll be 40 weeks on Friday. Is that correct?
I'll be 40 weeks on Sunday.
Sunday,
so you can do a membrane sweep starting from 37 weeks.
Not the beach in Trinidad, Ramona. Don't you talk about my second place like that, no. Because I go on the beach, I'm going to have my shack and bake, I'm going to drink a Carib, and no, I'm going to drink a stag. I'm going to drink a stag, I'm going to have my shack and bake, and then I'm going to talk to all my friends about the band and my costume, and I'm going to talk and, you know, look at all these sexy Trini guys, because, you know, when the Trini guys getting ready for carnival, they have some nice breast pecs and thing, and they can do like you know? And they training and they looking like, you know, and you can tell if a guy is
How do you do that?
because it's on top of the muscle. So the implant just moving. So because it's on top of the muscle, it's like I move the muscle and the implant is like, Jesus Christ.
Well, look at Naisberry's nasty.
Your second home, ma'am? Yes. Stevie is tiny.
So like when you
No!
Yeah, she is. I'm a tiny pregnancy. So like when you're at the beach, right? Do you guys like to drink cocktails or do you like to drink beer or cider? I love a good cider or a beer at the beach. I think the cocktails get you too drunk too fast.
That's what I love.
Oh.
I love cocktails. I don't know, like I enjoy liquor, it's great, but it's not like I'm like, oh, I love the taste of alcohol. I just like getting to the point, you know what I mean? So if I'm going to be drinking liquor all day, just let me drink 10 shots in the morning, get it over and done with, and I'm drunk, and I'm already there. You know, everybody works on traveling to get there. I just want to be there. Just take my shots, I'm done, I'm there, waiting on y'all to catch up, because you're...
But I mean, is a drunk worth the hangover though?
I find that once I take my hangover poo, I'm good. Like my stomach will hurt me, I'm all hungover, but once I do that big poo, I'm good again. I'm good again. Yeah.
That once hangover poo.
Once you do that hangover poo and it hurts you, y'all are, you're crossing your leg, them, you know, you stay stuff on it. Woo! Rock it out, rock! Cross your legs and rock, that's the secret. People get to skin out, cross your legs. Cross your legs and rock, you're good again in half an hour. Promise you. Promise you.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Alright, we'll have to try the hangover rock.
No hangover with white rum. You're not drinking enough, Brittany. Same. White rum and ice. And then when your friends judge you, add a squeeze of lime. Lime makes everything better. It's more acceptable when you put lime, you know, it's like...
Or now you can put the frozen passion, like a spoonful of frozen passion fruit in there from the company.
Oh,
Easy pickings.
And guys, if you don't want to mix your own liquor because you're either lazy or you never make it taste good, there's this place that makes these juices, these cocktails. Can't remember what it's called.
Baby Lady B, let me taste this one.
It's this place, you know, and she can make little bags or gallons or liters. I can't remember the place.
Oh wow, this is nice.
Yeah, I think
I think this is my favorite too.
You know, there's this place that makes the juices.
I like it when she puts a spice in there.
Yeah, it's the same place I'm thinking about. Wonder where it is.
They also make cider, FYI.
Amazing.
Anyway, so we're rocking it out. We're at the beach. We're still here. Are you in a full piece or are you in a bikini? Who is messaging you?
So this weekend was like well, I guess no, I'll always be going with kids. I love them. Can't leave them. So I went with my sister-in-law and my brother-in-law. Sorry, can't leave him out. So I went with my brother, no, what's his name? My husband's family, and then a friend of ours, and then we had a couple other friends there, and it was just so nice. It was like a kiddie weekend. I knew I needed to tan, so I wore my bikini. I think if I go on a weekend now with my mother-in-law, I think I will try and impress her and put on like a full piece. I don't know. I don't own a full piece, I don't think. I don't know.
What are you guys wearing? Are you guys wearing... So, Nush says bikini, of course. We're getting a lot of laughing faces.
Hi, Slimmers. I think I'd wear my bikini.
Remy wiped down everything. Hi, Slim. Remy wiped down everything. Yeah, Remy like traveled with her Clorox.
Yeah. Remy's downstairs. I walked downstairs. Remy was wiping. I think I'm just going to be myself. Like, I'm always... It doesn't matter how voluptuous I get. I always...
I don't know, if I'm going with
positive.
Scott's parents, like I'm definitely not gonna wear a thong.
I wouldn't wear a thong, but I can't help it if my ass is hungry and turns whatever it is into a thong. It's not my fault.
That happens to me a lot too.
Hungry booty, hungry booty, hungry booty, hungry booty, yum. It's like it doesn't matter what size the panty is, it really doesn't. It's like I put it on and it's like bottom is here and panty is here.
No, I think mine is worse because when we went to Trinidad, you and I got the same size bottoms.
Oh my gosh.
And mine was a thong.
Tracy's bottom is always hungry. It's like the black hole of Calcutta back there. It's like, So I had my bottom on and it was like sitting right like a little Brazilian girl. I mean, ooh, pretending I'm all cute, like, oh, I can't bend over. There she, hold out, hold out.
I know. Bottom just went, I know.
But you know, like honestly, I think
I can't wait to start exercising after this baby because I find that my bottom has gotten like long instead of up there because I haven't been doing anything. I haven't squatted or anything.
You know who we should have on the show?
Who?
We should have Dr. Dawes on the show and then let him see if we can like transfer the booty longness to booty height.
Does he do booties?
I don't know.
I don't think so.
He doesn't do booties?
I don't know. I don't know. But anyway, so there's some definitely nice one pieces out there. And I don't think a thong is for everyone though. Like some people should not wear thong.
I think
yeah, exactly, Liputi. There's so many nice one pieces out there now.
Yeah.
And they can be sexier than a two piece as well.
That's true, but I think part of when you say not everybody should wear a bikini, I think you need to know your body type and know what best suits you. Like, for example, Handmade Cards by Nandi, she doesn't realize that her swimsuits may need to have a little bit of height to make the leg longer. But she's so stubborn. She's so stubborn. Nandi's so stubborn. Nandi's as stubborn as I give up on her. And you know, I was buying her swimsuits again this weekend, but it's sold out.
What? Oh.
He said Auntie Roma had on a really nice swimsuit.
She's
and I asked,
so annoying. Like, we'll buy her something. She's like, this isn't my size.
I'm a large.
This isn't my size.
It's too big.
I'm like, Mom, it is your size. Would you just stop? And like, the last time I bought her swimsuit, it's like she was buying her extra large. I'm like, Mommy, you're a medium. I just put her in there. And she made it so awkward.
yes, I bought her a swimsuit the other day off one of my like a cheap websites and it was so nice. Mommy's like, I couldn't get it on. The stitches pop, 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 pop. I'm like, yeah, but it's from China, so it don't matter. Buy my size, not a small.
Who is buying you small, Mommy?
Nobody's buying you small, Mommy.
Mommy just has to be so extra.
I wish you'd try back on the swimsuit that's about it. But
Mommy
it's okay.
Mommy want to wear a scandal bag, put her little arms through the little holes.
Oh yes, this is me. I'm not like you young girls anymore, you know. I'll wear this burlap bag that used to carry flour.
It's like, come on.
I bought the same swimsuit in a bigger size.
When you bought a swimsuit?
Mommy, I bought her I bought her a size 8.
I know you gave it to me.
Oh, you have the size 8. She's like, I need a bigger size. And I waited on the waiting list because it was such a nice swimsuit.
No, you returned that one.
I returned it?
The one that you gave me was the one the white swimsuit with the pads right here.
That's the same white one.
Yeah.
It's so nice.
It's nice.
Okay. Somebody says cut Nana some slack. Okay, Slim Slimmers. We're going to cut Nana some slack. Oh, I'm opening my swimsuit drawer. You know, I don't like the sun and I have a whole drawer of swimsuits.
Why were you even opening your swimsuit drawer?
Because it's just right there.
You just felt a vibe?
I just felt a vibe like it was called Jodi. No? Like in my second life, I'm like one of those girls that loves the beach. But I know in 2 weeks, my skin is going to be like, you are in the sun.
I know.
Melasma, hyperpigmentation. Okay, they're begging for Nana. Leave Nana alone.
Actually, these outfits from Lee's are some outfits that Nana would like the little jumpers I was wearing. Nana would love those free flowing.
That green one hanging up there.
Yeah, the free flowing like Italian line, you know.
Alright, we're gonna leave Nana alone because she's like, you girls always put me on the spot, you know. I don't like you. The swimsuit was too small. I am a large. You girls keep buying me Chico. I'm not Chico.
Grande.
Grande. Lord have mercy. No matter what I turn the AC on, it's always hot in here.
I just don't find it's hot.
Okay, XXX Shaz, my skin strips every time I'm in the sun. So even though I was in the sun and I was doing my tanning, I made sure I had my sunscreen on and I made sure I reapplied. I don't know if my coupon code still works, but there's a brand called Seriously Fab. So before I go out in the sun, I use a sunblock called sunblock something, and it goes on so nice. I actually use it as my primer, and then every hour I sprayed with my Seriously Fab. Check and see if the code works. Jodi 10. It's really easy. After the gym, you just spray it on like you're refreshing yourself. You have to reapply your sunblock because honestly, the sun is the most damagingest thing to your skin.
Yeah, it is. It definitely is. I don't find it hot in here. I find that Jodi just chat too much.
Chatting make you sweat? Jesus, no, smell this.
No, I can't.
It's because I didn't have any deodorant this morning in the country and then I came home after sweating and put on deodorant. No, so smell this.
I don't want to. I'm trying to protect.
Give me back my hat and smell my underarm.
No. Gross.
It's a good thing I'm keeping this one because I'm just sopping up some sweat here.
Somebody says Remy's curls are coming. Winlin 28.
Yes. Yes, and she would stand up in the breeze.
Hi, Rory.
And
Rory's
she likes
here.
to feel them tickle on her neck.
Oh, shit.
So when she was wiping off the deck, you know, and the curls were tickling. And did anybody notice that Remy got darker than me?
She did not get darker than you. You're pushing so hard. She got a little tan though.
She got golden. But on the first day, Remy was darker than me because
She did not get golden. She got peach.
She got golden.
Jodi.
She's going to be a brownie with curly hair.
I don't know about browning. She's going to be a peachy. Now Levi.
Levi is a definite browning. But that is like the same. That's the same color I had as a child, you know.
No, it's not.
Yes,
Jodi.
Tracy, I was very brown.
Jodi,
I was a brown child.
Like Levi.
Yes, exactly.
Oh! I thought you were saying you like Remy. I was like,
no.
Like,
I used to look like immaculate leather shoes after I tanned. That brown, like brown.
No, that was Timmy.
Yep, Timmy used to get dark.
Yeah, Timmy used to get dark.
And then you could see at the time because his cheeks were rosy.
Oh, it's so cute.
How come when you get older you don't retain the same like?
I don't know. Like I used to be so brown too. I used to be so brown, and now I'm not that brown anymore. I just don't.
And don't get me wrong, you know. I really wish I could get that brown again and retain it. Like
yes, at Jodi Jink's fan page. I hope that Stevie gets my beautiful eyes.
No, well, I hope Stevie looks like me. Remy looks exactly like you. She even walks on her tippy toes like you.
I know, it's crazy.
It's so weird.
It's so
she has light eyes like you. If Stevie does not look like me, I'm really going to be upset.
Oh, Joe, she's going to look like you. Don't cry.
I'm really going to be very upset.
Stevie's going to look just like you, Jodi. Just beautiful, just like you.
I want her to have curly hair. I want her to have big Aki eyes. I want her to have brown skin like when I was brown, not when I was like, you know, whatever this is now.
Croca.
It's not croca. I have a tan now.
Okay.
I want Stevie to look like me.
Yeah, I do too. Stevie, whatever you are now, make sure it's like Auntie Jodi, okay?
House color is right. Yes, I think that's what it is. Like we go to school, we're always in the AC, we're always inside, and we just lose. We lose our brownness.
Yeah, and I think, you know, yeah, I
like
definitely think, when I went away to school for Canada, I came back and I never got my color back. Never.
Yeah. Jodi is gonna be the darker version of you. Jodi, she's gonna be the. I hope so. I really hope so.
I know. I hope so too.
Anyway.
I keep telling Scott I never marry a black
Europe bleaches the color out of you and it never comes back. Yes, mommy. It's true. After I went to Denmark for school and came home, I was never the same. Came home with Jodi go breed again. That was a conversation the other night. But,
was it really?
Yes.
Again?
You know I always ask.
You would really do this again?
I would. I don't know how. How old am I now? Talking to myself.
In your 30s.
In my 30s. I did ask. One day I asked if we could adopt, but that's not really for Sean. But I know I could do a third.
You could?
Yeah. I could. Whether it's mine or like an adopted child, which would be mine, I could do a third.
I don't know.
There's so many babies out there that need to be loved, and I would definitely adopt though.
Yeah?
Yeah, I'd finally get like the baby of my dreams, a nice chocolate baby with curly hair.
Oh my gosh, I'm just thinking of you know, Bucka Taylor's daughter with those
Jordan
with those
Oh
cheeks.
yes, she's so cute. I love. Okay, so here's another thing. Okay, so those of you who follow.
No, but when she was washing the dishes the other day.
she's stealable.
Oh my, stealable.
She's stealable.
Like, she's more
so we're
than
talking
that.
about Garfield, Booker Taylor. He's the
Lisa
police
Gay.
officer, and his wife Licia Gay. And they have a little daughter. Her name is Jordan Taylor.
She's so cute though.
She's so cute. She's.
You know who else's baby is super cute too? Sarah Lawrence.
Sarah. No, I don't follow her.
And her baby Caris.
I do follow her, and I haven't seen.
You have to see it. Have you guys seen baby Caris? Sarah Lawrence's daughter. Like, she's so cute.
She's cute.
Yeah, she's always smiling.
I love that because
and then she has like the little fro, and Sarah loves to put the bands on. Oh no, stop! I can't.
The hair clips get me. And then
so
Jordan
cute.
likes to wear her hair out. And what I really love about Licia and Garfield is they dress her like a little girl. So you know, sometimes they put like a shorts and a little tube top on Remy. They don't do that with Jordan. They dress her like a little girl. They don't try and make her out to be I don't even want to use this word because it's not
I don't use it, but we know what you're talking about.
Too mature. They don't dress their daughter too mature like sometimes like what I'll do with Remy. And I really appreciate her when she pops up on my timeline, especially this weekend. You know, them have her wash dish, you know. As a matter of fact, she washed too much dish. She needs to come here and relax.
Who, Jordan?
Yes. She needs to come here and relax. Poor Jodi. Jodi can't. She was cooking cookies. She'd make something else the other day. Then every time she'll wash. Always she not eat, she'll wash. Poor Jordan.
Yeah.
No man, I'm going to link Licia right away. Jordan needs to come here and relax.
Yeah, it's true. She's a vacation.
I love with what's Sarah's baby's name?
Caris.
Another cute baby, but she doesn't post her often enough, is Chorus, Candy King's daughter. That is Candy King's whole entire face.
I know. It's mini-me. It's a mini-me.
Yeah.
Mini-me. Chorus is really cool.
She's
really
Coco. That's really cute. That's a cute pet name too.
Yeah.
And Tessanchin's baby is adorable. Look up.
I haven't seen Tessan's baby in so long. She posts her.
But sometimes
nobody can beat the cheeks of Baby Oz. Baby Oz
he has a lot of cheeks. Yes, cheeks. Somebody's talking about no foreign babies. Nicki Minaj's baby, I've never seen her try.
I don't know foreign babies.
It's a little boy?
I have no idea.
I don't know.
I couldn't believe how Nicki looked the other day in that picture. She did not look like Nicki Minaj at all. The person looked good and
with
sexy.
the pink hair, she looked great.
But it didn't look like Nicki Minaj.
You think so?
Yeah. I mean, the person looked good, as I said, but I didn't, I was scrolling through, I wouldn't have known it was Nicki Minaj.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh. And hold on. Erica Mena being pregnant again. That surprised the hell out of me. Yes.
Wow.
Yes. So anyway, good for them. Congratulations to all the pregnant people and happy landing. And to all the people who have children. Child away. They're such a blessing. They're such a joy sometimes. Let me not make it seem like it's all time 100% all day thing. They're such a joy, and I just
Somebody
find that
says they love Remy in her church outfits.
yes, Auntie Stephanie, I dropped Remy to school.
Nikki had a boy. It's a dead stamp of Nicki Minaj apparently. But like, I mean, what is a dead stamp of Nicki? We don't even know. I'm saying it's a dead stamp of Kim Kardashian. Like, what does Kim look like? Like, we don't know.
I dropped Remy to school one day in a palazzo pants and a sheer blouse. And Auntie Stephanie said the church bus does not come until 10:30. She's early. I was like, Aunt Stephanie, what you mean? And I was told she's not to wear that outfit back to school. You know what? She's going to wear it tomorrow.
Oh, the palazzo pants.
The palazzo pants.
Oh my gosh.
With the tie-up neck.
Racine loved it. Racine was like, yes.
Sister Remy, get out your Bible. Ecclesiastes chapter 12, chapter 16, verses 1 to 2. There's a time under the sun, a time to every season, a time to be born, a time to die, a time to pluck, a time to pluck up, a time to plant, and a time to reap with that which has been planted.
Did I read that at my wedding?
No, Tracy, it's the thing we read all the time at funerals. Whenever they ask me, it's a funeral.
There's one that we read at my wedding.
I read at your wedding?
No.
Oh.
Did you?
I don't think so. I don't like that. I don't like that. Like, I'm such a bad reader. I'm such like I get all nervous and I'm like, the Bible! Ah! You know, like, I have to read from the Bible and I'll go there like, Ecclesiastes 6:12.
Well, why are you always on Ecclesiastes?
Because I read that at 2 funerals, so I know that reading, yo.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, Ecclesiastes.
I read at a wedding.
Ecclesiastes?
No.
Oh.
I read the one about love is
patient, love is kind, love is...
Yeah.
When is Tracy due?
Friday. We can all just sing to Stevie now. Get out!
Love is patient, love is kind, love is all those things. Love
So
can be anything you want it to be on paper.
So I wanted to know, right? What do you guys think the best baby laundry detergent is? Because I bought like just a Caribbean brand. It's clear liquid and it's non-scented and I'm pretty happy with it.
Yeah. Just make sure it doesn't bleach out the clothes. So I bought Dreft. Some moms in my mom group, they love Dreft, but Dreft was bleaching out all of the burr cloths. So then I started to use Ecos, but then I realized the Ecos baby was a little bit more expensive than the lavender one. And to be honest with you, right now, Levi and him all crust itself. Breeze. Breeze.
Oh, honest, somebody says. We don't get that.
We don't get honest here. Honest brand is good. It's expensive.
Some people
but
said Dreft about it.
Dreft bleach out every baby cloth. I don't know if it's because like Levi's spit up was acidic or something, but Softland is great. So if I have like a dress that says dry clean only, I'll use a little Softland. Yeah, everybody likes Dreft. Are you having a cesarean?
No.
Miss Chin, cake soap make it close them tough. Very tough. Cake soap after you have to use it for softener for the
What
cake
is
soap.
that? Henriques baby.
Yes. There's also, is it Trill? There is
Trill, yeah, somebody just said
Trill, and it's Trill will stretch a very long time.
Oh yeah? Miss Rose love clean. I left her at the house today. She's there.
Yeah, Miss Rose? What's she talking about today?
I was in a rush this morning and she came late, but she had planted a grapevine yesterday. So she was telling me how the grapevine was hard for her to plant and she had to pin it up, and then some of the chickens ate some of the eggs. So
I don't know anybody that love talk more than Miss Rose.
Miss Rose love chat.
She love chat.
Miss Rose love chat.
7 Generations is plant-based. Is that in Jamaica? Purex is really nice. Callaloo. You wash your clothes in Callaloo?
Okay, so what I wanted to ask you guys now, this is a tough question.
Yeah,
this is
okay.
a tough question.
Alright.
But since we were talking about being sexy at the beach and whatever, right? And we're drinking liquor at the beach.
See? Look at that. No, God no. Say God no. Look at this.
Let me feel how heavy that is. Got some weight on there, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Got some weight. Okay. So we're at the beach, and what if your friend's boyfriend or husband or significant other says something that's totally inappropriate to you and you feel uncomfortable?
While you're at the beach?
Yeah, in your thong. Like, what do you do?
I saw you did I look for me good day? I don't know, I think I would make it even more like, I don't know. You know that I always blurt out things? Or tell me exactly what they said.
Like, you know, I think it's natural for a guy to compliment a girl or look or say, wow, Joe, you look really good, or watch out your body, or look good in that, or your breast them stiff up. Like, I think compliments like that are okay, but then I think there's a line that people can cross.
For sure, but I find that line gets crossed all the time, like, you know, like.
So what do you say, or what do you do? Do you mention it? Do you just pretend it didn't happen? Like, how awkward is that?
I wouldn't make it awkward. I would definitely comment like an additional awkwardness and just make it completely awkward and done. But it's not like I'm gonna go to Sean and be like, oh my gosh, do you know what so and so just said about my batty crease? Like, I'm not gonna do that, because then Sean
is like, I'm gonna make it so awkward, and
Sean will be like, well, that's why you're not supposed to wear those things anyway. Why can't you cover up like my ex or like, I don't know, like, I think I would just make it super awkward, because it's not like the person's gonna say it in front of Sean.
Sean has never said you to cover up.
No.
He loves when you wear sexy stuff.
He does. He definitely does.
He loves it. Oh my gosh, it's like,
I would just make it more uncomfortable.
For everybody.
Except me, because I do D-I-G-A-G-A-F.
That's right.
Yeah.
That's right.
What was said? Yeah. Well, okay. What is being said?
I don't know. It's nothing that's happened to me. I was just wondering because we were talking about at the beach 2 pieces, you know, and I was just like, okay, what if this happens? So nothing was said. It's not something that happened that I can be like, oh, this, you know. I was just wondering.
Girls' Day beach trip, no dudes allowed. Then we're gonna pay. Just joking. Just joking. Just joking. I bet you're wearing sandals with this outfit. No, I am wearing a wedge.
And I'm barefoot, but I can't lift my foot up like that right now. Oh God.
Jodi, you need to be the main girl in one of Sean's videos. So no, in real life, I'm the main girl, and then I let everybody else do whatever in the video. Videos are up for grabs, you know?
Videos are up for grabs.
Videos are up for grabs. You do what you want. I don't know, I think it'd be weird, like it'd be super weird. Imagine Sean is trying to sing, and yo, I say like some really random ass stuff. Like Sean will be trying to like, and I'll be there trying to dance because I'll be trying to dance. I'm like, yo, look at my belly, Sean, watch your shit. I put one, yo. And Sean will be like, no, this can't work, this can't.
I remember one time we were in tour and wanted you to go and do the
take over Ixia's party. Yeah. Yo, me did that in the room of practice, so tell you that. I think Sean would have gotten upset. So there was this song, not I'm Still in Love. It was a
Hot Sexy Punky.
Hot Sexy Punky.
And they did it Spanish style.
So there was a breakdown of the song, like halfway through the song, and one of his dancers, Ixia, she would come out, and she's
looks a lot like Jodi.
She's Spanish looking. So she came out in this little frilly number, and it would be a Spanish breakdown, and she would do this whole thing and shake up herself, and it was very.
So we're like, yo, Jodi, take it.
On the last night of the tour, Jodi, so why don't you just surprise Sean and come out?
So Tanisha came to give Jodi the dancing instructions.
Yo, I mean they are practice out, kick up foot, and him supposed to catch my foot and one bag of things. You know, me and Ixia they are practice and drop down on carpet, one bag of things. Anyway, I can't remember what happened, but it came time, and I realized that Sean would have been upset.
You think so?
Yeah.
I don't know.
What happened then?
I don't know. I don't know. This is me asking.
I don't know.
I don't know.
Whew.
How you feeling?
This song is really good. I like this one a lot. Guys, black pepper kill me. So there's some spice in here. This is really good. This is my second favorite.
Jodi can't even do black pepper.
This is my second favorite. And you know what? My first favorite had pepper in it too.
Yes, it
My
did.
first favorite was a passion, something passion, and it had like a little pepper in there. That's crazy.
Yeah, I like pepper in my drinks though. Can't wait to see Remy with Stevie. I know. Do you know that Remy had to call Scott this weekend? She had to FaceTime.
Remy loves Scott. Like Trace will come to the door. Trace will be like, hi Remy, and Remy will be like, Tot. It's like they're not attached.
She had to FaceTime, and then when Scott was like, Remy, what you doing, sir? I was like, girl, please get your hands off my man.
Okay. Whew.
There's no draws there?
No.
Oh.
Somebody says, do I miss Carnival? I do. I do.
Is that?
I just want to take off my clothes and have on my thong and whine on somebody, man. Just simple.
I'm hungry.
Me too.
I want a snack.
I do. I'm hoping that the owner of Cayman drops the quarantine. What do they have? A governor, a prime minister, a president?
Prime Minister.
Governor General?
I'm sure they have a Governor General too.
I want them to drop the quarantine.
Lord, I want to travel. I can't wait to get on a plane. I just want to eat that nasty bag of peanuts.
I don't know what I thought you were going to say. The nasty bag of peanuts are not going to get... Oh, you in business. Okay.
I just want to travel. I just want to get away.
Jodi, we need a tummy update, please. Okay, so here's why I have not given a tummy update yet. So I have my... Cayman has a governor. So I want to lose a little bit of weight because, to be honest to Dr. Dawes, I don't think you can really see the results because I have put on a little bit of weight.
How much weight have you put on?
I don't go on a scale.
Me neither.
but I did see him the other day for my follow-up, and yo, you know, same stay really bad. So I was
Thank you, people are saying safe delivery, Tracy. Thank you.
where are you going?
Safe delivery. The baby is coming out.
By FedEx?
Well, what do you want me to do? Deliver the baby.
Okay. Alright. Just don't get your womb juice on my chair.
You were so concerned about these little chairs and my womb juice.
Nice womb juice.
I'm gonna
It's
save
safe delivery. You do say safe delivery.
I'm gonna save some womb juice and just spray it
No,
on
don't
this chair.
spray no womb juice on my chairs. I will eat your placenta. Just don't bother with the womb juice. That stuff gets stinky.
How do you know?
It's womb juice. It's what the room smells like when you're giving birth.
So, but you making me wear your old birthing dress that you had womb juice all over.
I use the trill. Cake soap. You'll be fine. Womb juice, it's like, it's a very acquired smell.
What you say? It's encouraging.
Yeah.
I should probably be wearing.
You should be wearing it right now.
Yeah.
Anyhow, we come back on air next week, Tuesday, just like, oh, everybody, welcome to Tuesdays with Tricky. I'm still pregnant.
I can't imagine that. Like, this is the last show of me pregnant, okay?
Should we say in Jesus' name?
In Jesus' name.
All right, do we have any pastors on here right now? Do we have anybody who's other than Nano? Let's call him in. Is Ryan Marks here? Anybody pastors right here? Maybe we could call him in and say a special prayer for Tracy. Anybody?
Or let's just sing the baby down.
No, we're not going to swing the baby down.
I mean, why not?
Is your hospital bag packed? I thought you were supposed to do a video on that.
Yes, my hospital bag is packed. My hospital bag is very
What
boring.
kind of show is this? Not even one pastor is here?
Why would there be a pastor on our show? All we do is talk about sex and ragamuffin things.
I don't know.
Oh my gosh. I won't say. That
See?
one. No.
See?
So, the other, I don't want to.
See?
Scott might get upset. But it was kind of funny. So the other night we're getting jiggy with it. And then he goes, hop on board.
What? What does he say? Hop on board. The banana boat? Reverend here. Reverend, we're going to call you in. We're going to do a little prayer for Tracy. Hold on. We're going to go... Hope it's really a reverend, you know.
It's okay. Any prayer will do.
Any prayer will do?
Yeah.
So, oh, Reverend, what's going on? Did I just press the right button? Reverend, come up again, beg, you know. What did I press? We want a nice prayer. We want a nice prayer. But you know what? In all honesty, the further we go in the closet, if you notice we have a different background today, we're not picking up anything, Reverend. Alright, guys, so maybe I'm going to have to do the prayer.
Okay. Alright. Well, why don't we ask somebody here to do the prayer? Like somebody that's always here with us. What about... Who would like to do the prayer for us?
Jodi, call Aisha. Where's Aisha? Oh, boob looking good right here though. Okay.
Who would like to do the prayer for us? Sunshine Beachney?
No. Hop on board.
I know. It gets real sexy up in my bedroom.
Alright guys, so I guess I'm gonna have to do the prayer. I can't get Reverend on it because
well, let's go.
Okay. Alright guys, so everybody let us pray. Dear Lord and Heavenly Father, we thank you so much. We thank you for bringing us here. Thank you so much for bringing my family home from the country safely along the drive. Dear Lord, I pray for all of our followers, all of our friends, but most of all, we come to you today, dear Lord, because we would like to pray for baby Stevie. We pray for her safe delivery, dear Lord. We pray that you put your guiding hands over Tracy, give her strength, give her protection, and give her no pain powers. We thank you, dear Lord, so much for her and so much for Scott, and we pray that you will put your guiding hands over the doctor. Bring Stevie into this world healthy and happy on Friday morning. Thank you, dear Lord, for everybody. We want to pray for all of our family members. We want to pray for all of our IG and our YouTube family and for more subscribers. Dear Lord, we thank you for everything. Amen.
Amen.
Amen. Amen. now. Amen.
All together now.
Amen.
Let's do it now.
Amen. Amen. Amen.
I knew I was wearing a hat for a reason.
Why?
People who go to church love to wear hats.
It's because you want to cover
That was
your
a
mouth.
good prayer.
That was a good prayer?
Yeah. I was
I
surprised.
don't know if you're supposed to pray for subscribers, but still, throw that in there, you know? Just, hey God, if you're hearing me. Alright guys, thank you so much for joining us today. We would like to thank you so much. Make sure you can catch a repeat over on our YouTube channel. And guys, when you go over to YouTube, can you please just drop like the names of some of the nice swimsuit, the full piece swimsuits. I have a weekend coming up with my mother-in-law and I would like to be
appropriately dressed.
maybe one of the days.
Yeah.
So drop some of the preferably Jamaican full piece swimsuits.
And we'd like to give a shout out to our sponsors today.
Jodi Spicy's live, send her a friend request. Guys, we gotta go. I'm heading over on Spicy's page. Hey! Lise, thank you so much for our beautiful outfits.
Thank you to Lee's Fifth Avenue for dressing us. They gave us shoes. They gave us our outfits for today. Thank you so much to Lee's Fifth Avenue. They are available in Tropical Plaza. And they really did over the inside of the store. It looks like Zara in there. Yeah.
Let's do a competition.
What's the competition?
Let's do a competition. You know all about last minute competition. We have another set of pick-a pepper sauces, the 3 pick-a pepper sauces, the original, the ginger, and the mango. Go over onto our YouTube channel. We're gonna gamble, betting, gaming, and lottery commissions. So we can't do this, but we are gonna do it anyway. If you put the date and time of Stevie's birth, I'll send you the sauces.
Oh wow.
Date and time of Stevie's birth over on the YouTube. If you win and she come out that day and that time, or thereabout, you win the 3 pick-a pepper sauces.
Yeah, I like that.
And to all of the past winners for the books by Ray Williams, your books have been shipped off. For all the past winners for the sauces, your sauces have been shipped off. So make sure you check the mailbox. But that's it for us this week, guys. Thank you so much for joining us. Tricky, happy landing.
Thank you.
Bye, guys.
See you guys.
Bye. Was that a poop?
No, I didn't poop.